Kate Telek has officially mastered the art of cinematic TikToks. Her videos are stunning, and she's built an incredible following from her unique style, but here's the truth. Copying her exact strategy will not give you the results that you're actually looking for. Because let's be honest, you might not even want to be a full-time content creator. You don't want to spend hours editing every single video or answering literally thousands of comments every day, especially when some of them could be hateful. Trust me, from experience. What you want instead is consistent income. You want a business model that feels safe for your nervous system, not one that burns you out incessantly. And it can be discouraging, even debilitating, to put influencers on a pedestal and then compare where you are today with the highlight reel of their journey. So in this video, I'm going to break down why copying Kate's strategy might not work for you and what will instead. I say this as someone who's built a multi-six-figure business by stepping away from the trend-chasing game. And now I help creators design businesses that work whether they post or not. So let's start with this: what Kate does so well and why it does work for her but may not work for you. Kate's strength is crystal clear. She's an incredible videographer. Her entire brand is built on making cinematic videos with just a phone, teaching editing tricks, showing camera confidence, and proving that you do not need a full production team to make something visually stunning. People follow her because her content is beautiful, engaging, and instantly recognizable. But here's the catch: that is her lane. That is her business model. She's monetizing her ability to teach and showcase videography. For most creators, your goal isn't to become a professional video editor. Your goal is to grow your income, build long-term client relationships, and create offers that don't collapse the second an algorithm shifts. And that's where copying her strategy falls apart for you. Because you could recreate her transitions, her edits, her cinematic flair, but if what you're actually selling is coaching or UGC or freelance services, none of that guarantees clients nor consistent income. The truth is, Kate's content is designed to attract followers, but what you need is content and systems that attract buyers. And here's the second reason copying Kate's strategy will not work for you. The starting point is completely different. Kate came into this space with a background in videography and marketing. She knows how to film, how to edit, how to create a cinematic feel, and she enjoys doing that. But maybe that's not you. Maybe you don't want to spend hours perfecting transitions. Maybe you don't want your business growth to depend on whether your editing looks like a real movie trailer or not. And here's the even bigger truth: you don't need to. You can build a thriving business without having those production skills at all, because your clients and your customers aren't looking for the fanciest edits. They're looking for someone who can solve their problems. So when you try to copy an influencer whose entire brand is built on high-level production, you're setting yourself up to feel like you're always behind. Instead of leaning into what actually makes you valuable, you get stuck comparing your work to something that was never meant to be in your lane in the first place. The third reason copying Kate's strategy won't work for you is sustainability. Kate has built an entire content engine around high-volume, visually stunning videos. But let's be real, trying to keep up with that kind of output when it's not your actual passion or skill set, that is the fastest way to burnout city. Because here's what happens: you spend hours editing just one video, then you publish it, and the algorithm decides not to push it. And suddenly all that effort feels wasted. So you scramble to make another and another, just hoping one of them lands like they do for her. That cycle is exhausting. And for most of you, it doesn't even move the needle on your actual income. What you need isn't a production-heavy content plan that ties your worth to views. What you need are sustainable systems, ways of attracting leads, building relationships, and selling offers that keep working whether or not a video pops off. That's the difference between content that looks good and a business that actually works. So if copying Kate doesn't work, what should you focus on instead? You need a business model that matches your goals and, most importantly, in my opinion, your nervous system. For most of you, that means three things. Number one being alignment. Your content should connect directly to the offers you actually want to sell. If you're a coach, your content should build trust around your process. If you're a freelance creator, your content should highlight the value of working with you long term. Number two, sustainability. You don't need to be glued to TikTok or Instagram for 12 hours a day. You need systems that bring clients to you instead, whether that's through platforms like LinkedIn, Fiverr, or Upwork, or even through inbound lead funnels that run even when you're sleeping. Number three is growth without burnout, my absolute favorite one. The right strategy will allow you to increase income without increasing exhaustion. That means shifting from one-off projects prospects and endless pitching and endless content creation into long-term retainers, partnerships, and offers that you're proud to deliver. Because the real win isn't getting views, it's building stability. It's building a business that works whether the algorithm is smiling on you or not, because it never seems to smile on me, but I still make multiple six figures. So here's the takeaway. Kate Telek's content works beautifully for her because it's her lane, but your business does not need to look like hers to succeed. You don't need ridiculously cinematic edits. You don't need thousands of comments from random viewers, and you definitely don't need to live at the mercy of an algorithm. What you need is clarity around your message, a way to consistently attract the right clients, and offers that give you financial stability without burning you out. And that's exactly what I teach inside the Paid Content Creators Academy, my program where I help creators step off of the trend-chasing hamster wheel and build businesses that generate consistent income even without ever going viral. So if you're ready to stop copying influencers and start building a business that actually works for you, click the link below and join us inside the PCCA. Your business should feel like freedom, not pressure, and I'd love to help you build that. Feel free to check it out in the description and pinned comment of this video, or check out this video next where I'm walking you through the first 4 weeks of your UGC journey here. I'll see you guys over there next.